The average engine today is engineered to hit 200,000 miles with ease, yet most are headed for the scrap heap by 120,000. Why? It isn't bad luck, it's a lack of mechanical empathy. If you give me just 10 minutes once a month, I will show you how to make your engine practically immortal. We're talking about simple, zero-cost checks that double your car's lifespan. Stick around for the final bonus tip, because that is the professional secret that separates a car that dies at 150K from one that purrs past $500,000. Let's dive in. Habit number 14. Check engine oil level and condition. If you take only one thing from my 19 years in the shop, let it be this. Oil is not just a lubricant, it's the lifeblood of your engine. I have torn down countless engines that died a premature death, and 90% of the time, the murder weapon was neglected oil. Pop your hood once a month, pull that dipstick, wipe it clean, and reinsert it. That piece of metal tells a more honest story than any change oil light on your dashboard ever will. You're looking for two things. First, color and texture. Fresh oil looks like clear honey. If yours looks like dark molasses, feels gritty between your fingers, or smells like it's been through a charcoal grill, your engine is literally screaming for a change. Second, look at the level. Being just 1 quart low might seem minor, but in a modern high-tolerance engine, that's less volume to carry away heat and more friction on your bearings. Once that metal-on-metal scarring starts, there is no undo button. I make this a ritual. First Saturday of the month, coffee in one hand, shop rag in the other. I've seen high-mileage delivery vans hit 300,000 miles on original internals just because the owner never let the level drop. Habit number 13. Inspect coolant reservoir. Engines don't just wear out. A lot of them literally boil themselves to death because nobody checks the coolant. Overheating is the fastest way to turn a perfectly good motor into an expensive paperweight. With the engine stone cold, look at the plastic reservoir tank. You'll see the min and max lines clearly marked. Level must sit between them. But don't stop there. Study the color. Fresh coolant is bright and jewel-toned, green, orange, pink, or blue, depending on your vehicle. If it looks like rusty coffee, milky like a latte, or you see rainbow oil swirls floating on top, you've got a serious internal problem. Blown head gasket, cracked block, or oil in the cooling system. I had a customer roll in last year convinced he just needed a top off. The coolant was brown sludge and the engine was already seized. 2 minutes a month could have saved him a $6,800 replacement. While you're already under the hood in inspection mode, there's one more thing that looks tiny but can take the entire engine down with it. Habit number 12. Inspect belts and hoses. A $25 belt or a $15 hose can destroy a $5,000 engine in under 60 seconds, if you never look at them. I've seen alternators quit charging, water pumps stop spinning, and power steering go dead, all because the owner never gave these rubber parts a 30-second glance. Grab a flashlight. Belts must be free of cracks, no glazed shiny spots, no frayed cords hanging off the edges. Press firmly in the middle. They should have about ½ an inch of give, no more. Any squeal on startup is your warning. Hoses? Squeeze them gently. They should feel firm like a new garden hose, never soft and mushy or brittle like old plastic. Hunt for bulges, weeping around the clamps, or hairline cracks. One of my fleet trucks had a tiny pinhole in the upper radiator hose. Driver ignored the tiny wet spot under the truck until the hose let go on the highway. Engine hit 260 degrees and locked up solid. Moral of the story? 30 seconds a month would have saved that entire motor. And while your flashlight is still out, don't overlook the electrical heart of the car. Habit number 11. Keep battery terminals and cables clean. Your engine needs rock-solid electricity just as much as it needs fuel and air. A corroded battery connection turns your car into a haunted house. Random misfires, weak starts, sensors lying to the computer. Once a month, open the hood and inspect the terminals. White crusty powder or green fuzz, that's corrosion attacking your power. Mix a tablespoon of baking soda in a cup of water. Brush it clean with an old toothbrush, rinse, dry, then tighten the clamps so they don't wiggle even a millimeter. Finish with a light coat of dielectric grease to seal out moisture. Do this religiously and your starter, alternator, and every sensor will thank you with bulletproof reliability. Neglect it and you'll chase phantom electrical gremlins for months. Speaking of airflow, let's talk about the filter that literally feeds your engine.
Habit number 10, check air filter. Think of your engine as a giant air pump. It needs to breathe to stay efficient. A clogged air filter is like trying to run a marathon while breathing through a wet sock. Pop the airbox clips, it takes 10 seconds. Hold that filter up to the sun. If you can't see light through the pleats, your engine is struggling. This leads to rich fuel mixtures, carbon buildup on your valves, and wasted money at the pump. If it's gray or full of debris, swap it. It's the cheapest performance tune-up you can give your car. Habit number 9, check tire pressure and alignment. You might wonder what tires have to do with engine longevity. Everything. Underinflated tires create massive rolling resistance. Your engine has to burn more fuel and work harder just to maintain highway speeds. Check your pressures when the tires are cold. Use the sticker inside your driver's side door jamb, not the max PSI on the tire sidewall. Also, pay attention to your steering. If the car drifts or the tires are wearing unevenly, your alignment is out. A fighting drivetrain puts unnecessary load on the engine and transmission. Keep it rolling smooth to keep the stress low. Habit number 8, inspect PCV valve. The positive crankcase ventilation valve, or PCV valve, is the most ignored part under the hood, yet it's critical for engine cleanliness. It vents pressure and acidic vapors out of the crankcase. If it sticks shut, that pressure will find a way out, usually by blowing out your expensive main seals or creating engine sludge. Find it, pull it out, and give it a shake. It should click-clack freely. If it's silent or gummed up with black goop, replace it. It's a $10 part that prevents $2,000 in oil leak repairs. Habit number 7, check for fluid leaks under the car. Your driveway is a health report for your car. Once a month, back out and look at where you are parked. Bright red or pink, usually transmission or power steering fluid. Deep brown or black, engine oil. Green or orange or blue, coolant, and it usually smells sweet. Ignoring a small drip is just waiting for a catastrophic failure. A small oil leak today is a seized engine tomorrow. Catching a weeping water pump early saves you from a roadside breakdown. Habit number 6, scan for error codes. Your car's computer often knows a part is failing weeks before the check engine light pops up. These are called pending codes. Buy a basic OBD2 scanner. They are incredibly cheap now. Plug it in once a month. You might find a lazy O2 sensor or a slight misfire on cylinder 3. Fix those $50 problems now before they melt your $1,200 catalytic converter. Knowledge is power. Don't wait for the dashboard to start glowing. Habit number 5, inspect spark plug wires or coils. A weak spark means an incomplete burn. That raw fuel washes down the cylinder walls, diluting your oil and wearing out your piston rings. Check your ignition coils for carbon tracking, tiny black lines that look like cracks. If you have wires, check for brittleness. A pro tip, mist them with water in the dark while the engine is running. If you see blue sparks jumping, your voltage is leaking. Clean, strong spark equals a clean, long-lasting engine. Habit number 4, clean throttle body and MAF sensor. Modern engines rely on the mass airflow sensor to breathe. Over time, it gets coated in microscopic dust and oil vapor. This blinds the sensor, causing the engine to run lean or stumble. Once a month, or at every oil change, use a dedicated MAF cleaner spray. While you're there, check the throttle body for carbon gunk around the butterfly valve. Keeping these nostrils clean ensures your idle is rock solid and your throttle response stays crisp. Habit number 3, fuel system treatment. Modern direct injection engines are prone to massive carbon buildup on the intake valves. If you let that carbon harden, you lose compression and power. Once a month, run a high-quality PEA-based fuel system cleaner through the tank. It keeps the injectors atomizing the fuel into a fine mist rather than a dribble.
A clean spray pattern prevents hot spots on the pistons and keeps your combustion chamber pristine. Habit number 2, listen for strange noises. Your engine is always talking to you. You just have to turn off the radio to hear it. Once a month, drive with the windows down. Listen for ticking, valve train issues, squealing, bearings or belts, or knocking, low octane or rod issues. If the sound changes with engine RPM, it's internal. Catching a chirp from a pulley today prevents a total belt failure tomorrow.
Habit number 1, drive the car hard once in a while. Believe it or not, granny driving can kill an engine. Short trips and low RPMs lead to carbon choking. The engine never gets hot enough to burn off deposits. Once a month, perform what we call an Italian tune-up. Once the engine is at full operating temperature, take it on the highway and give it some spirited acceleration. Getting those internal temperatures up helps burn carbon off the valves and cleans the catalytic converter. Engines are meant to run. Don't let yours get lazy and clogged. Bonus tip: clean and protect your car's electrical grounds. Here is the secret most mechanics won't tell you. Modern cars are computers on wheels. These computers rely on a clean ground connection to the chassis. Over time, the spot where your battery ground hits the frame gets corroded. This causes low voltage, which makes sensors lie to the computer. I've seen people replace entire transmissions when the only problem was a rusty $2 ground bolt. Once a month, find your main ground straps, ensure they are tight, and hit them with a shot of corrosion protector. It keeps the brain of your car healthy. Do these things and your car will outlast your neighbors by a decade. But don't stop here. You need to know the mistakes people make during the work. Click here to watch our video on the 13 oil change mistakes that ruin your engine so you don't accidentally kill your motor while trying to save it.